Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Bobby Hemphill, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on my lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2010 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, roof rails, step rails, privacy glass, and much more. Among go anywhere traditional SUVs, the 2010 Toyota 4Runner is a top choice. This 4Runner has 17-inch 6-spoke aluminum alloy wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this 4Runner is in great condition. It has aerodynamic multi-reflector halogen headlights with auto off. Along with that, fog lights and a really nice colored key grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 4-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This 4Runner has rear-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 19 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this 4Runner has only 75,000 miles on it. At the back of the 4Runner, you can see the antenna, the power rear window, and the spoiler with an integrated wiper, along with the tow package, along with large brake lights and a sleek badging. Look into the cargo area. You see that it's very spacious and that the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features 2 power outlets, a sliding cargo deck, and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this 4Runner has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold down armrest with cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This 4Runner is also equipped with door bins, a locking glove box, and a garage door opener. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the programmable door locks, and the power windows with up and down. This 4Runner has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now, here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your entertainment features. It's paired with 8 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and satellite radio and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the auxiliary ports. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions for us, please call us at 888-272-5869 or visit us online at sparkstoyota.com.